Noswaith dda, gyfeillion, a chroeso i'r seremoni gyflwyno Gwobrau Cystadleuaeth Sgiliau Cymru. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the second of two Skills Competition Wales Celebration Event 2021, where we'll recognise and celebrate the commitment, hard work and achievements of learners, providers and employers who are setting the gold standard in education and training.
We're very proud to be hosting the event this evening bilingually. You can access the Welsh translation by going to the interpretation icon in the bottom tool, the one that looks like a globe, and clicking on it. You'll then be able to choose your preferred language. We'll also use the Welsh language here and there throughout the evening, making sure that everyone knows exactly what's going on over the next 60 minutes or so. Rhan, dwi'n gobeithio eich bod chi wedi cael cyfle I weld a chyfarfod rhai o'r 560 o gystadleuwyr. O bob cwr o Gymru, rhai o'n nhw wedi ennill gwobr aur, arian neu efydd yng Nghystadleuaeth Sgiliau Cymru.
Representing a wide variety of sectors, each and every one of our competitors demonstrates the positive impact that education and training programmes have on businesses, learners and the economy in Wales. Heno, fe glywch chi am lwyddiant a fydd yn ysbrydoledig iawn a fyddwn ni'n cydnabod o bobl sy'n helpu greu gweithlu o'r safon uchaf yng Nghymru. But before we get started handing out the awards, we are going to take some time to reflect on the last year. Here to give us his personal welcome and viewpoint is Paul Evans, Skills Ambassador for Wales and Project Director for Inspiring Skills.
Thank you for joining us for Skills Competition Wales, the celebration event we're hosting tonight. Firstly, I'd like to thank all the competitors and congratulate all the competitors. You're all winners. You've all been chosen to compete and represent your college, represent your university, or represent your training provider. Absolutely massive thank you to you all for taking part and taking the time, and best of luck for tonight's awards. The last 14 months has been nothing but normal, and I think you all agree that it's been a fantastic achievement to deliver the competitions in these climates. So a big thank you must go to all the education sector across Wales for thinking outside the box, enabling us to deliver, and more importantly, taking the time to enter your learners. This year, we had over 1,200 entries in Skills Competition Wales. This was achieved during a period of lockdown. And we planned to deliver 56 competitions, and the resilience of staff members and also the competitors was tested to the highest level. And I'm extremely proud, very, very proud to say that our competitor retention this year has exceeded what we've had in past years. And in some skill areas, we managed to achieve 100% retention, which is absolutely phenomenal. So a massive thank you to all that have been involved in delivering this year's cycle and enable it to be such a success. Pob lwc I bobyn. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Go Team Wales.
Go Team Wales. Skills Competition Wales is funded by the Welsh Government through the Inspiring Skills Excellence in Wales project and supported by a dedicated network of colleagues, work-based learning providers and employer-led organisations. Thanks to you all. But why competitions? Well, they raise the profile of skills in Wales and offer students, trainees and apprentices a chance to challenge, benchmark and raise their skills by taking part in a series of local vocational skills competitions across a range of sectors. Over the past year, COVID-19 has affected us all, with many significant changes to our lifestyle and the way we operate, this evening's virtual event being a prime example. Despite these challenges, with the support of our partners across Wales, 53 competitions were delivered, which is a fantastic achievement. In 2021, we had over 1,200 entries in Skills Competition Wales across the 53 competitions held in a variety of sectors.
Wow. We'd like to thank all of you on screen this evening. Without your support, we wouldn't be able to celebrate the awards like this. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd. We'd usually be inviting you to enjoy your meal, but just because they're virtual this year, it doesn't mean the fun has to stop, does it?
Oh no.
We want to see your awards set up this evening, whether you're in your front room, dressed in your best, or sat around the kitchen table with your family, or your nan, your cat, or your dog. why not? We want to see how you're celebrating. Take a photo and tag us on Instagram and Twitter at ISE in Wales and use the hashtag SEW2021 and we'll be sharing some of the best bits throughout the night. Bantanida?
Ffwr â ni.
Rydyn ni'n dechrau gyda'r sector adeiladu a seilwaith.
O'n i licio hwnna?
Yeah?
Nice. Mae'r sector adeiladu yn rhan annatod o sefydlogrwydd economaidd Cymru, efo dros 100,000 o weithwyr yn cael eu cyflogi mewn amrywiaeth o swyddi ar y safle traddodiadol at swyddi gwasanaethau proffesiynol fel cynllunwyr, penseiri a syrfewyr. Nath na dros 220 gofrestru ar gyfer 9 cystadleuaeth y sector yma eleni, a heno fyddwn ni'n dathlu cyflawniad pob un o'r dysgwyr yna. Ymlaen â ni i wobrwyo enillwyr pob un o gategoriau'r gystadleuaeth. Pob lwc i chi gyd.
Oh. The first award is BRICKWORK. Let's look at the nominations. A bricklayer is someone who is always in demand. They are very skilled in their work and can either be part of a large crew on a building site or work alone on smaller projects. They work with bricks, pre-cut stone and concrete blocks to build internal, external wall structures for buildings, gardens, driveways, etc. The competitors were required to carry out a brickwork task where they had to follow detailed instructions, produce accurate and neat work outputs, be economical with the materials whilst they worked to strict timescales. They were required to demonstrate their ability, lay into straight line, plumb level and gauge, and the ability to point.
Now then, the Bronze Award goes to David Jenkins, Coleg Ceredigion.
Silver is awarded to Creighton Rice, NPTC Group, Neath.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Cynlen Mani, MPTC Group, Neath. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn. A massive congratulations to everyone involved. Da iawn. Da ni'n troi rwan at ail gystadleuaeth y sector adeiladu a seilwaith, y gystadleuaeth gwaith coed. Be am i ni edrych ar yr enwebiadau? Mae seiri coed yn grefftwyr dawnus. Maen nhw'n defnyddio eu sgiliau i dorri, ffitio ac adeiladu strwythurau o bren, yn ogystal â gosodiadau fel toia, ffenestri a drysau. Yn y gystadleuaeth yma, oedd rhaid iddyn nhw gyflawni tasg oedd yn herio eu gallu i ddilyn darluniau, i greu gwaith taclus a manwl gywir gan ddefnyddio gwahanol fathau o bren, i fod yn ddarbodus efo'i defnyddiau, i ddilyn telera amser llym ac i gadw ei gweithfanna yn lân ac yn daclus. Mae bob un o hein yn sgiliau sy'n hanfodol yn y diwydiant adeiladu modern.
The Bronze Award goes to David Jenkins, NPTC Group.
Silver is awarded to Thomas Morgan, MPTC Group.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Sammy Young, NPTC Group. Llongyfarchiadau. Well done to all involved. Come on. Oh. Next up, we have the joinery competitions. Let's look at the nominations. Joiners are highly skilled woodworkers. They work with timber to construct doors, windows, fitted furniture and other permanent fixtures within buildings. Competitors were tested in their ability to follow detailed instructions to produce accurate and neat outputs whilst being economical with their materials, all of which are essential in today's construction industry, Mary. Do you know that?
I do now.
Well.
The Bronze Award goes to Ieuan Thomas, Coleg Ceredigion.
Silver is awarded to Dion Evans, Coleg Ceredigion.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Steffan Thomas, Coleg Ceredigion. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn. Massive congratulations to everyone. Da iawn chi gyd. Ymlaen â ni at y cystadlaethau peintio ac addurno. Be am i ni edrych ar yr enwebiadau? Mae peintwyr ac addurnwyr ymhlith y crefftwyr sydd â mwyaf o alw amdanyn nhw o fewn y diwydiant adeiladu. Mae gennyn nhw ystod eang o sgiliau a thechnegau o adnewyddu tai, at beintio pontydd, a maen nhw'n defnyddio amrywiaeth o systema a gorffeniadau fel stensilia, lliw, gwydredd, greinio a llythrenu. Roedd yn rhaid i'r cystadleuwyr arddangos cydsymudiad da rhwng llaw a llygaid, y gallu i ddefnyddio gwahanol fathau o ddeunyddiau a'i sgiliau wrth baratoi arwynebau.
Wel, eto gyd. Ewn ni at the Bronze Award goes to Mia Ball, NPTC Group.
Silver is awarded to Peter Marshall Rees, Gower College, Swansea.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Paul Mason, NPTC Group. Llongyfarchiadau. Well done. Now, on to plastering competitions. Let's look at the nominations. The plasterer is an essential member of a construction team. They make walls and ceilings smooth and ready for decorating or for rooms that need soundproofing and weatherproofing. They mix and apply different kinds of plaster to inside walls and ceilings and cover outside walls with coatings such as sand and pebble dash. Competitors were given the task to challenge their ability to follow detailed instructions, produce accurate, neat work output, and, of course, to be economical with materials whilst working to a strict timescale, all essential requirements for today's construction industry.
The Bronze Award goes to Thomas Johns, NPTC Group.
Silver is awarded to Kian Brown, NPTC Group, Swansea.
But what about the gold? This evening is Johnny Donaldson, NPTC Group, Swansea. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn. Well done all. A'r gystadleuaeth ola i ni wobrwyo yn y gystadleuaeth adeiladu a seilwaith ydy sgiliau cynhwysol garddwriaeth. Be am i ni edrych ar yr enwebiadau. Garddwriaethwyr wedi hyfforddi i gynnal gerddi a maen nhw'n dylunio ac yn plannu cynhwysyddion, basgedi crog a borderi fel rhan o'i gwaith. Oedd yn rhaid i'r cystadleuwyr gwblhau sawl elfen o dirwedd feddal, gan gynnwys paratoi gwlau, dylunio a phlannu border wedi ei gosod neu fasged grog.
The Bronze Award goes to Jamie Cousins, Coleg Cambria.
Silver is awarded to Daniel Kelleher, Cardiff and Vale College.
And that mighty Gold Award winner this evening is Cain Rodway, Coleg CHILDCARE. Oh, Coleg mi eto. Llongyfarchiadau, well done all involved. Da iawn, CHILDCARE. Oh, proud iawn. That rounds up the construction and infrastructure sector competitions. Well done to all involved and congratulations to all the medalists. This evening, we are interested to see what you are doing at home tonight, aren't we, Mary?
Yeah, we're very nosy.
Yeah. So we thought we would like to see what you were up to here and what we're up to. So here's a short film showing what it takes to put on tonight's award ceremony. You'll enjoy this.
Hi everyone, here in the studio preparing for this evening's event. We're really looking forward to celebrate all your success. Congratulations, Llongyfarchiadau.
Mae chi yn mynd I fod yn ennill un o hein. Wow, fantastic. Na I gadael y tap.
No, I'm not the local town mayor, but these are the gold medals, gold, bronze and silver medals that you could win.
Here we are this evening in Cardiff, ready to host the award ceremony. Here are the gold medals. Here's my dressing room. So, my Wi-Fi, very important, script, water, and my Red Bull for the evening. Orange juice. Oh, shoes. Check. Fresh, spanking, white daps. Come on.
Noswaith dda, gyfeillion, a chroeso I seremoni gyflwyno Wobre Cystadleuaeth Sgiliau Cymru.
Huge congratulations to all the winners.
Take a photo and tag us using hashtag SEW2021 on Instagram and Twitter. Well done, Mosh. Llongyfarchiadau, well done, all involved.
Stand by on 3, 2. And go with you. Thank you, Mary. Come back to number 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, making it sweet. I like it. Well done everyone involved tonight, and again a huge congratulations to all the winners.
And that's a wrap. All done. Mary?
You little thief.
That wasn't meant to be in the cut. I've been done dirty there.
I knew it. A little insight for you there into all the hard work and all the parties involved helping arrange and run tonight's awards. Now that you've seen us set up for the awards, we want to see your award set up this evening, whether you're in your tuxedo or onesie, or you're sat around the kitchen table with your family. We want to see how you're celebrating. Take a photo and tag us on Instagram and Twitter at ISE in Wales and use the hashtag SCW2021. And we'll be sharing some of our best bits throughout the night. Do it! Hopefully next year we'll be able to see each other face to face. Now on with tonight's ceremony.
Right te bobl, nawr rydym am edrych ar iechyd, lletygarwch a ffordd o fyw. Yn y sector hon, cynnalwyd 15 o gystadlaethau drwy'r tros 330 wedi cyfrestru. Dyma un o'n diwydiannau mwyaf yng Nghymru ac mae'n cynnwys ystod eang o swyddi mewn meysydd gwahanol gan gynnwys lletygarwch, gofal iechyd, ffitrwydd, gwallt a harddwch a blynyddoedd cynnar. Yn ein digwyddiad diwethaf, buom yn dathlu'r cystadleuwyr y meysydd ffitrwydd, gwallt a harddwch, ond heno byddwn yn anrhydeddu'r rai yn y cystadlaethau lletygarwch, gofal iechyd a blynyddoedd cynnar, gyda roi cynabyddiaeth i'r dalen sydd i'w gael ledled Cymru. Ymlaen â ni at wobrwyo'r enillwyr ar gyfer pob un o gategoriau'r gystadleuaeth.
The first award is Culinary Arts. Let's look at the nominations. Culinary artists create complex and intricate dishes using a wide range of skills and techniques. They must have a good knowledge of all aspects of modern kitchen, including butchery, fishmongery and bakery, along with good cookery and presentation skills. The competitors were assessed on the core skills and abilities required of a culinary artist in a variety of tasks, which included a mystery box challenge.
Ooh, wow. Well, this isn't going to be a mystery. So, the Bronze Award goes to Dylan Rogers and Mason Winter from Cardiff and Vale College.
Silver is awarded to Hannah Stedman, Coleg Ceredigion.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Kyle Reynolds, Cardiff and Vale College. Llongyfarchiadau. Awn ymlaen at ail gystadleuaeth, y sector iechyd, lletygarwch a ffordd o fyw. Yn y gystadleuaeth gwasanaeth bwyty, beth am edrych ar yr enwebiadau? Mae staff bwytau yn chwarae rhan allweddol ym mrofiad cwsmeriad o fwytau. Boed yn osod byrddau'r gywir neu gynnig gwybodaeth helaeth am bopeth ar y fwydlen. Gall gwasanaeth o safon aros yng ngof gwesteion llawn cyn hired ar bwyd a diod. A fi'n gwybod reit iawn, fi'n offi restaurant. Cybylhaodd y gystadleuwyr gyfres o dasgau ymarferol mwyn arddangos eu sgiliau a'i dealltwriaeth o wahanol ddilliau o weini bwydydd a ddiodedydd. Cyn i iawa, ffurfiol, paratoi a gweini Prosecco. Prosecco, fi'n mynd yn excited gweld hwnna.
Yeah.
A gwybodaeth am y cynnyrch. Roedden nhw hefyd yn cael eu beirniadu ar eu sgiliau cymdeithasol a'i ymddangosiad.
Lle mae'r Prosecco ma ta?
Yna fe.
The Bronze Award goes to Alex Nicholson, grŵp Llandrillo Menai.
Silver is awarded to Lee Cowan, Coleg Ceredigion.
And the Gold Award winner this evening goes to Daniel Davies, Coleg Ceredigion. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn. Huge congratulations to all involved. Right, next up we have the patisserie and confectionery competitions. Let's look at the nominations. A patissier is a pastry chef in a professional kitchen skilled in the making of pastries, desserts, breads and other baked goods. All the good stuff. Competitors were assessed on a variety of tasks to demonstrate their skill on presentation, creativity and style, all skills necessary for a successful career as a pastry chef.
Yummy. Well, the Bronze Award goes to Ruby Hurley, Cardiff and Vale College.
Silver is awarded to Celt John, Coleg Ceredigion.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Veritian Lewis, Coleg y Cymoedd, Llongyfarchiadau. Well done, all involved. Joio, master. Nawr te, awn ni at y Cystadleuaeth Sgiliau Cymru, gwasanaeth bwyty. Beth am edrych ar yr enwebiadau? Mae cynorthwywyr gwasanaeth bwytau yn chwarae rhan bwysig yn y bwyty. Rhaid iddyn nhw allu cyflawni ystod o bethau fel gosod byddian gywir yn ogystal â meddu ar sgiliau cyfathrebu gwych ac ymddygiad proffesiynol. Rydym ni gyd yn cofio'r profiadau da a gwael o ran gwasanaeth cwsmeriad. Weithiau yn ein cofio'n gwell na'r bwyd ar diod. Yn y gystadleuaeth hon, gofynnwyd i'r gystadleuwyr osod bwrdd ar thema dydd gwyl dewi ac aseswyd hwy ar eu cyflwyniad. A'i creadigrwydd a'i steil yn ogystal a'i proffesiynoldeb a'i gallu weithio o fewn y cyfyngiadau amser a osodwyd. Ti wedi bod yn chwarae gyda sgript fi?
Gawn ni densiwn rwan. The Bronze Award goes to William Dolphin, Coleg Gwent.
Silver is awarded to Hannah Cully, Coleg Gwent, and Damien Slaney, Grŵp Llandrillo Menai.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Siobhan Ashore, Gower College, Swansea. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn. Woohoo! Yes!
Chicken soup.
Woohoo, chicken soup.
Fi eisiau bwyd.
Wow. Next we have the Inclusive Skills Catering competition. Let's look at the nominations. A food preparation assistant plays a vital role in a restaurant's kitchen. They are the backbone of a smooth kitchen operation. They support the chefs and ensure the kitchen workplace and equipment are maintained to the highest standards. Competitors were assessed on their knowledge and skills in health and safety, hygiene, knife skills, use of equipment, presentation skills and knowledge of flavour combinations. The Bronze Award goes to Emma Bennett, NPTC Group.
Silver is awarded to Shakina Francis, Coleg Gwent.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Camar El Hosiel, Grŵp Llandrillo Menai, Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn. A huge congratulations to all of you.
Well, that's us almost at the halfway point tonight. Oh,
Flying.
so we thought we would take a small breather and hear from one of the students who is involved in skills competition and let them tell you their story.
Helo, Heather Davies dwi, a dwi'n rhan o Sgwad UK yn cystadlu gyda Restaurant Service Skills neu Sgiliau'r Bwyty. Nath fy ngyrfa i ddechrau yn 2018, amser wedyn ni'n astudio gyda Coleg Ceredigion Aberteifi, lle wnes i ddysgu y sgiliau hanfodol ynglyn â Restaurant Service a lletygarwch. Wnes i hefyd dechrau cystadlu gyda Inspiring Skills Cymru, lle wnes i ennill y fedal aur yn fy ngystadleuaeth gyntaf yn 2018. Nes i wedyn parhau i gystadlu gyda World Skills UK, lle dwi nawr ar y sgwad UK a wedi cael ei dewis fel un o'r tair i gael y siawns i gystadlu yn Shanghai yn 2022. So un o'r pethau dwi'n fwynhau fwyaf beth i cystadlu yw yr diwrnod ei hun, y gystadleuaeth. achos fi'n hoffi'r bes dwi'n cael o'r gystadleuaeth a'r siawns i bwsio'n hun mas o'n comfort zone. Un o'r pethau dwi ddim cweit yn fwynhau gymaint yw yr nerves dwi'n teimlo cyn gystadlu a'r pressure. Mae wastad yn cael ei fi cyn gystadlu, ond dwi'n gwybod byddai yn gallu dod bannau yn y diwedd. Os bydde unrhyw un eisiau cystadlu, byddwn ni definitely just gweithio chi just go for it. Achos mae wedi definitely helpu fi i datblygu fy hyder ac mae wedi agor nifer o ddrysau mi i fy ngyrfa yn barod. A dwi jyst mor ddiolchgar i gael y gyfle i gystadlu dros fy ngwlad. Iawn, diolch yn fawr.
Wel, dyna lwcus, mae'n mynd i Shanghai.
Gawn ni fynd.
Ble mae gwahoddiad ni? Hey. Right then. Please don't forget to show us how you're celebrating tonight via Instagram and Twitter using the hashtag SEW2021 and follow us at ISE in Wales.
Gnewch o, diolch i chi gyd. Ond heb oedi dim rhagor, awn ni mlaen at weddill y gobrwyo a rhoi sylw i'r categoriau sydd ar ôl yn y sector iechyd, lletygarwch a ffordd o fyw. Ymlaen â ni at weddill y gobre.
Ymlaen â ni, indeed. Up next is the Health and Social Care competition. Let's look at the nominations. Health and social care workers provide quality care to individuals in a range of facilities, such as nursery, residential, home, hospital, or other caring establishments. Competitors were expected to exercise judgment and take appropriate action to support individuals to maintain their independence, dignity, and control through a variety of practical exercises. The Bronze Award goes to Kaylee Cake Coleg Gwent.
Silver is awarded to Millie Evans, Bridgend College, and Elizabeth Jones, Grŵp Llandrillo Menai.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Abby Roberts, Coleg Cambria, Llongyfarchiadau.
Da iawn. Rhan, mae'r gystadleuaeth nesaf yma yn debyg i natur, ond efo ffocws ar gymwystera lefel mynediad. Felly be am edrych ar y gystadleuaeth sgiliau cynhwysiol, iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol. Gawn ni olwg wan ar yr enwebiadau. Mae cynorthwywyr iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol yn rhoi cefnogaeth hanfodol i weithwyr gofal. Mae natur i gwaith nhw'n golygu bod angen iddyn nhw feddu ar wybodaeth a sgiliau sy'n cynnwys elfennau o gymdeithaseg, bioleg, meitheg, y gyfraith a moeseg. Yn y gystadleuaeth yma, oedd na ddisgwyl i'r cystadleuwyr ar ddangos hyn mewn cyfres o dasgau, a hynny wrth gynnal lefel o barch ac urddas tuag at y rhai oedd yn defnyddio'r gwasanaeth. Roedden nhw'n cael eu hasesu ar ei dealltwriaeth o adnabod peryglon, rheoli heintiau a'i gallu asesu hoffderau ac anghenion cyfathrebu yr unigolion.
The Bronze Award goes to Mia Jenkins, Coleg Sir Gar.
Silver is awarded to Nia Evans, Bridgend College, and Levi Story MPTC Group.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Leo Thomas, Rhan College. Well done. Llongyfarchiadau. The final awards tonight in the health, hospitality and lifestyle sector are linked to early years care. First up is the childcare competition. Let's look at the nominations. A childcare assistant is typically involved with the physical care of children. With infants, this involves feeding, changing, holding and comforting them, something my mum does a lot. She deserves a medal for that. For toddlers, this may include toilet training and assisting with personal hygiene, like washing hands. The competition consisted of a variety of activities based on child development and learning through play.
The Bronze Award goes to Sasha Barton, Coleg Cambria.
Silver is awarded to Amy Nicole Jones-Williams, Grŵp Llandrillo Menai.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Rhiannon Hanford, MPTC Group, Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn, Rhiannon! And to everyone else involved. Ac yn ola rwan, y gystadleuaeth sgiliau cynhwysiol gofal plant. Be am edrych ar yr enwebiadau. Llunwyd y gystadleuaeth yma ar gyfer y rhai sy'n gweithio tuag at swydd mewn gyrfa a all gynnig gymaint o foddhad i berson. Aseswyd y cystadleuwyr gyda tasgau oedd yn cynnwys creu poster a chreu bwrdd stori gan ddefnyddio hoff lyfr o'i plentyndod.
The bronze award goes to Ellie Perham, Regen College.
Silver is awarded to Ellie Hayburn, ACT Training.
Gold is awarded to Alicia Thomas, ACT Training. Da iawn ti, llongyfarchiadau. That's the final award in the Health, Hospitality and Lifestyle category. So before we move on to the next category, let's hear some more from the past and present students.
Wales Skills has just been amazing.
It propelled me by allowing me to learn skills that I wouldn't have learned, taught me things that helped me in my professional career.
Although there was immense pressure, I think that there was definitely, you know, a sense of achievement at the end of the day. That was the best part about it.
It was really hard work. It was quite nerve-wracking because I've never actually done a big competition before, especially where people can be watching and walking around in the arena. So I didn't really know what I was getting myself in for until I got there. That first day when I stepped onto the competition stage, I then realised that this is what I wanted to do, and I wanted to show people that what was watching, that they should go for it, those young students. And I trained and trained to be the one that was selected for Kazan, and I was the one that was chosen. And it just goes to show that all your hard work and your effort that you put into it does pay off in the end.
It has helped grow my confidence so much. I've met so many new friends along the way.
When I first started competing, I never thought it would take me where it did. I ended up leaving competing, got straight into a job. I did my degree alongside working, and it's opened up a number of other doors with training opportunities and things like that for me.
When I was in Russia, I did win a bronze medal, for those of you who didn't know, and I have actually got my medal here today to show you, just to show you that this is what you could work towards and this is what you could get.
Push, do the competitions, and you will succeed. It'll propel you so far in your careers you can't even imagine. You'll end up at places you would have never thought possible.
So my advice would be, if you want to have a go, I would say just to go for it and see where it takes you and just have fun with it.
And I'd 100% recommend competing.
For any of you out there who are umming and ahhing about the competition, whether to take on the next step or not, I would highly recommend it. Even if you, like I say, don't go through to the next stage, or you're really struggling in training because you think someone's better than you, that doesn't matter. You should enjoy what you're doing and be the best that you can, the best person that you can be, and be proud of everything that you do.
Wow, so many skilled students there. The only skill I had in college was getting off early for lunch. And that's why I don't have an award, clearly.
Only a stolen one.
Yeah, no comment. Now, without further ado, let's carry on with tonight's awards. Now, on to our final sector tonight, engineering and technology.
Mae peirianneg a thechnoleg yn sector gyffroes yng Nghymru sy'n cyflogi dros 150 o filoedd o bobl ar draws ystod o erfaoedd gwahanol. Eleni cynhaliwyd 15 cystadleuaeth gennym a gwelwyd dros 300 o gofrestriadau ar gyfer y sector. Os wnaethoch chi ymuno efo ni yn y digwyddiad dwytha, byddwch chi wedi cael cipolwg bach ar y sector peirianneg a thechnoleg wrth i ni ddathlu enillwyr y maes gwyddoniaeth. Wel, heno fyddwn ni'n dathlu gweddill y cystadleuwyr y sector yma, boed yn weldwyr neu'n beirianwyr arwyrenna, yn dechnegwyr electroneg neu'n dechnegwyr moduron.
The first competition being awarded in this sector this evening is Industrial Electronics. Let's look at the nominations. Industrial electronic technicians and engineers operate specialist equipment in various workplaces ranging from aerospace and the armed forces to the entertainment industry, health and education. They must maintain their skills and knowledge to keep up with the latest development in technology and be able to follow detailed specifications. Competitors undertook the role of an electronics technician and carried out a series of tasks which included design, test and fault finding on a pre-faulted electronic board.
The Bronze Award goes to Scott Tavner, Gower College, Swansea.
Silver is awarded to Daniel Timakov, Gower College, Swansea.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Thomas Hopkins, Gower College, Swansea. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn, Thomas. Well done, all involved. The second competition being awarded in this sector this evening is Mechanical Engineering. CAD? CAD?
CAD.
CAD.
You know what CAD is?
No, I don't.
Don't have that in North Wales.
We must not. Let's see.
Well, you're from Cymnarfon, you only have cod and chips.
Nice with mushy peas. Let's look at the nominations. Computer-aided design,
or CAD,
uses specialist software to create 2- and 3-dimensional images and animations of projects, both in manufacturing and for use in advertising and technical manuals. CAD is essential in industry today as the animations produced can calculate dimensions, tolerances and possible solutions, as well as simulate how a design will actually function in the real world. In this competition, competitors were tested on various skills that are essential for a CAD designer, which included using CAD to produce 2D technical drawings, 3D models and 3D assemblies.
Well, at least you've learned something today. The Bronze Award goes to Harry McLaren, Corrig Gwent.
Silver is awarded to Cynan Smith, Grŵp Llandrillo Menai.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Luke Williams, Coleg Sir Gar. Llongyfarchiadau, well done. Coleg Sir Gar smashing it tonight. Da iawn, da iawn. Y drydydd gystadleuaeth o fewn y sector hwn heno yw weldio. Beth am edrych ar yr enwebiadau? Mae weldiwr yn defnyddio amrywiaeth o ddeunyddiau i uno darnau o fetal. Mae'r gair weld yn cyfeirio at yr uniad ei hun. Pan fo'r uniad ei hun yn gryfach na'r metal o'i gwmpas. Roedd yn rhaid i'r gystadleuwyr weithio ar sawl uniad wedi weldio mwyn asesu y sgiliau wrth drin a thrafod y 3 phrif broses o uno a llaw.
The Bronze Award goes to Jack Higgins, Coleg Cambria.
Silver is awarded to Ross Jones, Pembrokeshire College.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Deris Rayman, Pembrokeshire College. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I bawb.
I'm sure they'll be welding those medals to the wall tonight, won't they?
Wow, that's a vision. The fourth competition being awarded in this sector this evening is Construction Metalwork. Let's look at the nominations. Construction metalworkers have specialist knowledge to understand engineering drawings and then use them to build the structure accurately. The competitors were tested on their knowledge of how different types of steel are used and how to cut, join and weld them.
The Bronze Award goes to David Turnbull, Coleg Cambria.
Silver is awarded to Rhys Stanhope, Coleg Cambria.
And the mighty Gold Award winner this evening is Ian Byrne, Coleg Cambria. Well done. Well done to all involved. Nesaf, yma'r gystadleuaeth her y tîm cynhyrchu. Beth am edrych ar yr enwebiadau? Mae'r gystadleuaeth her y tîm cynhyrchu yn galw ar dîmau o dechnegwyr dawnus I ddylunio ac adeiladu datrysiad eu hunan I fanylder briff. Fel rhan o'r gystadleuaeth, roedd angen cadw cofnodion treloiw trwy gydol yr holl brosiect. Roedd yn rhaid I bob aelod o'r tîm arddangos creadigrwydd, sgiliau am y ddisgybleth, y gallu weithio fel tîm yn ogosal yr amrywiaeth o sgiliau gan gynnwys dylunio ar lefel drafft a chyfrifiadur. A'r defnydd o sgiliau cynhyrchu fel tyrnio a llaw ac a chymorth cyfrifiadur. Weldio, gosod ac hydosod, automatiaeth ac electronic.
In this category, there is only a Gold Award winner, and that has been awarded to Sean Maguire, Holly Page and Sam Wilson from Coleg Cambria. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn. Da iawn chi. A huge congratulations. Now on to the CNC milling competition. Let's look at the nominations. CNC milling, or computer numerical control milling, is a machining process which uses computerized controls and multi-point cutting tools to produce a custom-designed part or product. This process is suitable for machining a wide range of materials and producing a variety of custom-designed parts and products. In this competition, competitors were placed in the role of the CNC machinist. They worked to a set brief and used CNC machine tools to cut, drill, shape and finish products and components used in engineering and manufacturing.
The Bronze Award goes to Matthew Smith, Coleg Cambria.
Silver is awarded to Sean Murray, University of Wales, Trinity St David's.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Cody Higgins, University of Trinity St David's, and Samuel Lewis, Coleg Cambria. Llongyfarchiadau.
Da iawn chi. Nesa gawn ni y cystadlaethau Mechatroneg. Be am edrych ar yr enwebiadau. Defnyddir Mechatroneg mewn sawl maes gwahanol, gan gynnwys llinellau cynhyrchu mewn ffatrïoedd a'r beltiau a ddefnyddir mewn archfarchnadoedd. Mae'n ymwneud efo ystod enfawr o systemau arbenigol gan gynnwys niwmateg, roboteg, mecaneg, rhaglennu a datblygu systemau. Bydd technegydd Mechatroneg yn defnyddio'r systemau hyn i ddylunio, adeiladu, cynnal ac atgyweirio offer wedi automeiddio yn ogystal â systemau rheoli rhaglennu. Llunwyd y gystadleuaeth fel bod 2 gystadleuedd yn cydweithio fel tîm gan brofi i'r rhesymeg, ei dyluniadau a'i sgiliau canfod gwalla, a hynny o fewn amgylchedd heriol, gan gymhwyso i gwybodaeth theoretig o egwyddorion sylfaenol, automoteiddio, niwmateg, trydanol, electroneg a thechnolegau PCL.
Wel, dyna llon geg o geiriau.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Mechatoneg swnio fel rhywbeth o Transformers. Well, in this category, there are only 2 awards being presented, and this evening, the silver is awarded to Kayleanne Owen and Liam James Hennessy from Coleg Cambria.
And the gold award winner this evening is Daniel Millington and Thomas Addis Roberts from Coleg Cambria. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn. Well done to all. Cyn i ni fynd ymlaen i gyflwyno gwobra i rai o'r unigolion mwyaf talentog, sa'n i licio cymryd eiliad fach i glywed hanesion a chael ein hysbrydoli gan rai o'n cyn gystadleuwyr.
Hi everyone, I'm Ethan and I competed as part of Team Wales in UK skills competitions as part of my apprenticeship with Electro Impact and my training with Coleg Cambria. I was lucky enough to win gold in my skills competition. It was a lot of effort, the quality of the work from all the other people was amazing, and that pushed me to be better at what I did on the day. And ultimately I got the gold, which was amazing. It was a difficult competition because I'd only been in my apprenticeship for 2 years. I was new in terms of the skill that I knew, and that's enabled me to learn a lot more going forwards because I've been given the skills to be able to take extra risks, shall we say, to push forwards and try new things and develop my skills as a machinist and things like that. In terms of nerves and things on the day, you will wake up nervous, and it's about coping with that, learning coping strategies, breathing exercises, talking with friends, listening to music. Everybody does it slightly different, but you've got to find your way of coping with the nerves. Obviously, when I went on to compete as part of Team UK, and I went to Gothenburg for Euro skills and Abu Dhabi for World skills, you're given a lot more training to obviously be able to deal with those nerves because you're in obviously a foreign country competing against other really good competitors. You're given the skills to be able to deal with that. In the UK competitions, you'll be given some hints and tips and advice to be able to help you deal with those nerves. Everybody does it differently. It just depends on you, my thing was take myself away, do some breathing exercises, calm myself down, and then focus on the job at hand that I had to do. Going forward, since I've been in competition, it's been a massive confidence boost for me to be able to push my boundaries within my workplace and within hobbies and things like that to progress a lot further than probably what I would have done. The confidence to be able to challenge decisions and my own ability to push forwards has been certainly invaluable going forwards as in my career.
Very wise words there. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Ethan. Ysbrydoliaeth, diolch. Reit, cofiwch ddeud wrthyn ni sut fyddwch chi'n dathlu heno gan ddefnyddio'r hashtag SCW2021 ar Instagram a Twitter. Nôl yn ni rwan I gyhoeddi gweddill enillwyr y sector peirianneg a thechnoleg.
First up, we have the Aeronautical Engineering Competition. Let's look at the nominations. An aeronautical engineer is responsible for looking after components of aircraft and aircraft systems. They must maintain, repair, service, install and test these vital important components. The competitors were required to carry out a panel repair task and an aircraft inspection. They had to demonstrate the specialist knowledge of someone entering the field of an aeronautical engineering and the advanced skills expected within the aeronautical industry. The Bronze Award goes to Matthew Cutt, Coleg Cambria.
Silver is awarded to Paul Patterson, Coleg Cambria.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Adele Hughes, Coleg Cambria. Well done, all involved. Llongyfarchiadau.
Nesa mae'r gystadleuaeth atgyweirio cyrff Cerbyda. Be am I edrych ar yr enwebiadau? Mae technegwyr atgyweirio cyrff Cerbyda yn arbenigo mewn atgyweirio ac amnewid paneli sydd wedi I difrodi ar bob math o gerbyda. Maen nhw'n defnyddio ystod o offer arbenigol I atgyweirio unrhyw ddifrod ac I sicrhau fod y cerbyd mewn cyflwr diogel. Aseswyd y cystadleuwyr ar eu sgiliau, eu gwybodaeth a'i galluoedd mewn cymhariaeth a safonau ac arferion gweithio cyfredol y diwydiant. Gosodwyd 4 tasg ymarferol y meysydd weldio, MIG, spot weldio, gwaith llenwi a rhoi gorffeniad ar fetel.
The Bronze Award goes to Bradley Watts, Coleg Gwent.
Silver is awarded to Joel Windsor, Cardiff and Vale College.
And the gold winner this evening is Lewis Hastings, Cardiff and Vale College. Llongyfarchiadau. Well done, everyone. Now, on to the Light Vehicle Automotive Technology Competition. Let's look at the nominations. Light vehicle automotive technicians require a wide variety of specialist skills. They carry out inspections and maintenance on cars and light vans, test vehicle systems and diagnose faults, as well as advise customers on repair work. They are responsible for producing estimates and maintaining service and maintenance records. Today's technicians use a range of equipment to assist them in their role, from advanced diagnostics to the more traditional spanner and wrench. In this competition, the competitor were assessed on a series of tasks which included electrical, transmission, brakes, engine and inspection.
The Bronze Award goes to Samuel Phillips, Coleg Gwent.
Silver is awarded to Daniel White, Coleg Gwent.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Corey Hayward, Coleg Gwent. Waw, Coleg Gwent, da iawn. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi gyd. Awn ni rwan at y gystadleuaeth technoleg cerbydau trwm. Be am edrych ar yr enwebiadau? Wan, mae'n rhaid I dechnegwyr cerbydau trwm feddu ar ystod eang o sgiliau arbenigol. Mae rhaid iddyn nhw gynnal arolygon a gwaith cynnal a chadw ar gerbydau nwyddau mawr, profi systemau cerbydau a chanfod gwella. Nhw sy'n gyfrifol am gadw cofnodion cynnal a chadw. Erbyn hyn, mae technegwyr yn defnyddio amrywiaeth o offer i'w helpu wrth eu gwaith, rhai modern a blaengar ar gyfer diagnosteg yn ogystal â'r offer llaw mwy traddodiadol. Aseswyd y cystadleuwyr dros gyfres o dasgau yn y meysydd canlynol, trydanol, trawsyriant, breciau ac arolwg moduron.
A dwi'n gallu arogli yr award nesa, sef y bronze, which goes to David Jones, Cardiff and Vale College.
Nice, licio hwnna. Silver is awarded to Philip Gregory, Cardiff and Vale College, and Taylor Jones, Coleg Gwent.
Oh, what's that I smell? A gold award winner this evening is Luke Friston, Cardiff and Vale College. Llongyfarchiadau, well done to all involved. Da iawn, fi licio clap na.
Diolch.
Now, for the Vehicle Refinishing Awards, let's look at the nominations. Vehicle refinishing technicians assess and repair paintwork on vehicles after accident damage. They use specialist techniques to prepare panels, match colours and apply paint to the vehicle, restoring it to a factory finish. The competition consisted of 4 practical tasks, which included refinishing a panel, defect rectification, plastic repair and colour matching, like your nails.
Thank you.
Matching.
Matching the dress perfectly, might I add. We digress. The Bronze Award goes to Robert Owen, Grŵp Llandrillo Menai.
Silver is awarded to Owen Slims, Cardiff and Vale College.
And the Gold Award winner this evening is Sean Lewis, Cardiff and Vale College. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chdi, Sean, and well done to everyone. A'r gystadleuaeth ola heno ydy sgiliau cynhwysol, technoleg fodurol.
Olaf?
Mae'n edrych, ia, ydy hedfan. Be am ni edrych ar yr enwebiadau? Mae'r gystadleuaeth yma ar gyfer rhai sy'n awyddus I ymuno efo'r diwydiant arbenigol yma. Cafodd dealltwriaeth y cystadleuwyr o ddiogelwch cerbydau I brofi yn ystod arolwg teiars, arolwg goleuadau a phrofi plygiau tanio.
Wel, lot o arogli hyn o'n edrych. Well, the Bronze Award goes to Owen Patton, Cardiff and Vale College, and Rowan Streeter, Coleg Cambria.
Silver is awarded to Erin Dodd, Coleg Cambria.
And what's that coming over the hill? It's a gold award. Winner this evening is Megan Nedrid, ACT Llongyfarchiadau. Well done, all involved. Oh, starting to dance now, are we? Well, that's the final awards this evening, so let's have a look at the final medals table. Recognising the organisations with the greatest points tally. Thank you all for supporting this year's Skills Competition Wales, and a very well done to you all. The awards may be over, but the challenge hasn't yet finished. The deadline for this year's World Skills has now passed. Are you ready for the 2022 challenge? Are you? No.
And that concludes all the awards for this evening. A massive congratulations to all our winners and all those who participated this year. Oh, very well done to all, and hopefully we'll see you in the flesh next year. Well done to everyone involved tonight, and again, a huge congratulations to all the winners. If you haven't yet showed us how you've been celebrating tonight, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter at ISC in Wales and use the hashtag SCW2021.
Do it. You've got to get those Instagram pictures, don't you?
Yeah, we want to see.
All important. Do it. No, seriously, do it. Right. Bydd pob un o'r enillwyr heno yn cael y cyfle I ddringo'r podium dros yr wythnosau nesaf. Byddwn yn rannu'r wybodaeth ar enillwyr yn fuan iawn. Cyn I ni orffen pethau heno, rydyn ni'n anwyddus iawn I rannu chydig mwy o negeseuon â chi. Felly heb oedi dim mwy, dyma gyflwyno Mike James, cynrychiolydd World Skills UK dros Gymru. Go on, Mike. Hit it.
I'd just like to thank all the competition winners for this year and how they've absolutely knocked it out of the park, and also to thank all the staff who've supported them in the way in which they've adapted the skills competitions in the 30 areas during the COVID crisis. It's absolutely amazing to see both the students and staff respond to what's been a difficult situation, but actually they've really, as I've just spoken about moments ago, knocked it out of the park. Skills, or demonstrating the importance of skills, is absolutely vital as we move forward. We need to show the world that Wales has got an able, talented and entrepreneurial workforce, and the best way to do that is through skills competitions. Better skills creates better productivity. The better productivity we get in Wales, the bigger the economy, and we need a strong economy to invest in our public services. So world skills, UK skills, or more importantly Welsh skills, is the centre point, centre place in creating a great and prosperous Wales. First of all, I'd like to say that the competition winners this evening are able to go on now to compete at a higher level through national and world skills. That's what we're after. We're after some of the competitors today to be able to go on and compete internationally, and that would be absolutely fantastic. The past competitions that Wales have been involved in have demonstrated that Wales always punches above its weight. We've had gold, silver and bronze medalists right across the piece, demonstrating the importance of skills for Wales, supporting the wider UK team. Currently, our skills competitors, supported by the staff, are training in the background. They're still training, they're still competing, preparing themselves for the forward-facing competitions. And as we get the other side of COVID, post-COVID, we're going to make sure that world skills, national skills and Wales skills, that we're there right in the middle of it, making sure that all our students have accessibility and a positive experience in being able to compete. World skills is absolutely vital to make sure we demonstrate Wales is ready for inward investment, Wales is ready for the economic recovery. Congratulations to all the medal winners and nominees, and thank you for all your hard work. Come on, Wales.
Come on, Wales, indeed. Many thanks to Mike. Again, diolch yn fawr iawn. Very inspiring words. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the final of our Skills Competition Wales Celebration Event 2021. A truly inspiring celebration of the individuals, training providers and employers who are helping to make Wales a high-skills economy.
Everybody involved tonight is making a real difference. Ma'ch ymroddiad chi, eich arloesedd a'ch creadigrwydd chi yn arwain at lwyddiant mewn marchnad fyd-eang gystadleuol iawn. Thank you all for sharing this evening with us and for recognising the achievements of so many people. We hope you celebrate your success long into the night. And in this more virtual world, at least you don't have to worry about getting home safe. Mae di fod yn bleser cael eich cwmni chi. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Nos da.
Parti!
Parti!